Okay, everyone. So you should be able to access the Digital Public Library of America. And this is the page if you were to try to find a text. So you can first start by looking up, you can either type in the topic for searching for the collection, or you can browse by topic. And so we see here that we can browse by topic. And really, this is not any of the topics that I'd be interested in. However, I think that I could do something with civil rights because this is a topic for political science. And it'd be interesting here to look at women's leadership, or probably even women's leadership would be useful for my women in politics class. And so looking at, the infamous, Fannie Lou Hamer, which would be really good, are, looking at some of these transcripts. This is really cool. What this looks like is more archival stuff than it is about anything else. So that's actually a pretty cool resource, and I like archival work. We can also go back and look at the American Civil War. I just created an assignment about the Reconstruction and having students look through about the Reconstruction era. So it kind of would be really interesting to go through and have them do more work on the Reconstruction, give them a better understanding of this. So this would be kind of a cool aspect for them to look and gain more understanding of that concept of what it was like at this particular time period, looking at the various military service, the various battle, the various people who were involved in that. Now, it appears that I can actually create a list and curate the kind of information that I want my students to actually see. That would be kind of cool. Now, I guess the next question that I do have is, if I click on this, how will I get my students to see this? That's something that I need to play around with a bit more. It looks like there's a link here that I can send students to the link, but I don't want them to have to register in order to get into this. So it looks like they're curating different things from different archivals around the country. So that's pretty interesting, and this is actually kind of hard to read. Okay. Well, this is a great start for me to look at archival stuff, and I am absolutely in love with archival work because that's what I like to write and publish on. This is a great resource. Thank you so much.